without Kevin Heffernan, I think the GAA would have struggled to get a foothold in the city.
Well, Pepper was fantastic. He was a fantastic manager. He knew when he needed an arm around you or a kick in the arse, he was brilliant at identifying that.
Mar a bhóid Kevin Heffernan camas bhfuil sin éhícin á stíl bhí aige tháinig an fudin in níos a rís cos sin Phoenix mar deara. Ba siad ó drochuideal go fuid a líntach a bhfuil a cúpla mí.
The bhí gáin a rud éigean go raibh sais saolaíoch na daoine agus an sais meon a bhí ag na daoine go raibh siad a géirí rud éigean a bheith acha le díreabhair agus beidir le tuairteasteach in a gríthe.
Bhí atmosphere nua. Bhí sort cuma Old Trafford a cuma Anfield a bhí gceist idir chana na chathanna á cahal agus daoine a bhí annig an clifa sin. Beidir nach raibh aon páirteach riamh fribh sin. In gcósaí cuma Newcastle.
Now there was delirium in the city. Now the city had found what it's looking for, a team around which it could find its passion.
The centre field, Stephen will